Hey y'all, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you're here, and I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and stick around for a little while. Today I'm going to show you how I made these tri-colored candles for spring and Easter. For this project I used a Roman urn vase from Dollar Tree, candle wicks that I got at Walmart, 3 packages of the Favorite Denim wax cubes, 4 packages of the Bright Hibiscus wax cubes, and 5 packages of the Lilac Breeze wax cubes. These are mainstays and are available for 93 cents each at Walmart. I use a spare glass to melt the wax, a spoon to stir it and make sure it's good and melted, and some wooden dowels to hold my wicks straight. I also use these heavy-duty gloves to protect my hands because this will be hot. The first thing I'm going to do is hot glue my wick to the center of the bottom of my glass. I will then use the dowel rods to hold my wick straight. For the bottom layer of my candle, I'm going to start out by taking 2 packages of the Favorite Denim wax cubes and breaking them apart into my glass. I'm then going to put them in the microwave at 30-second intervals until they're completely melted. Once that wax is melted, I carefully remove it from the microwave and add the last package of the Favorite Denim. Be careful because this is very hot. You do not want to burn your hands. I then put it back in the microwave until it's completely melted. Once the wax is completely melted, using my gloves, I pour my wax into the glass. Be very careful, it's very hot. I then use my wooden dowels to hold the wick straight as the wax dries. It'll take about an hour for each layer to dry. Once that layer of wax is dry, I'm just going to take my spoon and clean up any areas where wax may have spilt on the glass. For the second layer, I'm going to start out by using 2 packages of the Bright Hibiscus. I'm going to do the same process where I put the wax in the cup and then I microwave at 30-second intervals until it's completely melted. After carefully removing the wax from the microwave, I then add my last 2 packages of wax. I then put it back in the microwave until it's completely melted. That wax is completely melted. Using gloves to protect my hands, I then pour it into the glass. Again, I use the dowels to keep my wick straight as it dries for an hour. Once that layer is set up, I use my spoon to clean up any spills, and then I took 2 packages of the Lilac Breeze wax cubes and put them in the glass, putting them in the microwave at 30-second intervals until it's completely melted. Once that was ready, I took it out of the microwave very carefully and then added 2 more packages of the Lilac Breeze. I then put it back in the microwave at 30-second intervals until that was completely melted. Once that was melted, I very carefully poured that into the glass, making sure my wick was straight with my dowels. I then took the very last package and put into the glass and again put back in the microwave at 30-second intervals until it was completely melted. I had to do this because my glass was so small. If you have a bigger glass, you may not have to do it. Once that was done, I very carefully poured it into my glass, made sure my wick was straight, and let it set up overnight. Once the candles were set up, I took a box cutter and just cleaned the outside of the glass, making sure to get all the wax that had dripped on the sides. To finish my candles, I just took and cut the wick at about 1/4 of an inch. And here they are finished. Very beautiful colors for spring. They'll be fun for spring or Easter. And here they are sitting on my new candle holders for Easter that I just made, and that video is coming Sunday. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, please hit that like button and be sure to subscribe and stick around. I'll see you next time.